In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw tables in FigJam. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating a table from scratch, placing it exactly where you want on the canvas, and making quick edits so your information looks clean and is easy to understand. First, head to figma.com and log in with your account. Once you're in, open a FigJam board. You can either start a new FigJam file or open a recent one from your files. Use whichever board you want to work in today. Give yourself a little space on the canvas so you can clearly see what you're making. If the canvas feels cramped, zoom out slightly. If details feel too small, zoom in for a closer look. Now let's add a table. Look at the toolbar along the bottom of your FigJam window and find the Table tool. It looks like a small grid. Click it once to activate the tool. Move your mouse to the spot on the canvas where you want the table to appear, then click and drag to draw it. As you drag, you'll see the table form with multiple rows and columns. Release your mouse when it's the size you want. If you prefer to place it first and size later, just click once on the canvas. You can adjust the table afterward. With the table on the canvas, click inside any cell to start typing. Use Tab to move to the next cell on the right, and press Enter to jump to the cell below. This makes it fast to fill in data without reaching for your mouse. If you need more room, drag the edges of the table to resize the whole thing. You can also hover near the row or column borders until you see resize handles. Drag those to change the width or height of specific columns and rows so your text fits neatly. To edit the look and feel, select the table or highlight specific cells. You can adjust text size, alignment, and weight to make headers stand out. If you want to add emphasis or group-related information, change the cell backgrounds to different colors. Keep your color choices consistent so the table remains readable. If you need to add or remove rows and columns, use the handles that appear at the edges or right-click to find quick options. For quick data entry, you can paste content from your clipboard directly into the table and it will flow into the cells. When everything looks right, position the table where it belongs on your board. If you're sharing or presenting, zoom the canvas so the table is front and center. That's it. You've logged in, opened a FigJam board, drawn a table, and edited it to fit your content. Save your changes, and you're ready to use tables to organize ideas clearly in FigJam.